What's up, guys? Another day, another opening with Zelda. So let's check this out. So what we got here? I got a alarm clock straight from Japan. So let's go and open this thing up. I had to get the Zelda song playing. So, open this shit up. Kind of makes me want to play the game right now. Alright, still trying to open it up. Sorry for the wait, guys. Woo! They got a whole bunch of Japanese paper in here, like I never see it like. Japanese letters. Make the light bright. Alright. That should be bright enough. That's yeah. Some more Japanese. Whoa. So this is what they do over there, huh? They do the same thing we do. Got the but as you can see, straight from Japan. Like, this package is from Japan. So, let's go ahead and get a little, wow. Looks beautiful. So far, so good. Boom. Here we go. Open this lovely thing up. A Zelda Breath of the Wild alarm clock. Wow. Look at that. Wow. Zelda Breath of the Wild alarm clock. Like, wow. Cool. Looks like it's gonna be kind of loud too. Like, that's amazing. Look at that. Let's look at the side. I don't know anything on it except Zelda. That's all I know. Cool. I wonder if it comes with, yeah, you gotta have batteries. Yeah. I hope it comes with batteries. Let's go ahead and open this up. Eat nice and easy. I don't want to mess up the box. I mean, the box looks lovely. Alright. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Nice and easy, man. Come on up. So I'm gonna be using you. I need to wake up, y'all. Like, wow, look at that. Look at that Zelda alarm. I don't see no batteries though. Looks like it doesn't come with battery. Hey. Cool. Straight to the collection, you guys. Zelda. That's all I know. That's all I see is Zelda, man. Like, I don't really. Breath of the Wild, as you can see, it says right there. I don't know if that, yeah. It's kind of blurry, but yeah, another look at that. So let's go ahead and take a look at the alarm clock. Put away this knife before it hurts me. Wow, look at that. Look at that. You could hear the, when I shake it, you can hear that slight alarm. So yeah. Go ahead and open this thing up, and wow, it looks extremely beautiful. Like, this drink is extremely beautiful. Looks extremely beautiful. Do you see that, guys? Wow. My own alarm clock now. That's the back of it. Set the time. There's no batteries in there. But I'll put the battery in there soon. And, this size, it's like AA. Probably go buy me some AA's right now. There you go. Zelda alarm clock in the house, man. Breath of the Wild, y'all. Like, wow. Beautiful. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Hold it like this, and wow. Alright, just a little unboxing with your boy Zelda. Zelda alarm clock, straight from Japan. Alright? Alright, y'all guys have a good one. Peace.